Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Let's start with gold. We need to stay above this previous high. It did bounce almost to our 8, so we're still following the 8 up, and the 8's basically pointing straight up. 1280 is the break. Our next point is at 13, emotional spot and a previous high. So I'll keep a watch on that. This reverse head and shoulders is pointing straight up. I mean, this thing is huge. Who knows what's going to happen? But I haven't seen that kind of angle on a reverse head and shoulders for a long time. And you can also call this a cup and handle if you're interested. Cup and handles are very powerful. But on a monthly, you can see that for the whole month, last month we broke into above trend, and it hasn't really popped below. It's very resilient. It's bullish still, and you can see on a monthly that 13 is no problem. In the future, it's likely we'll see 14. I think I stated that before, this next previous high. So let's check that out next month. See if we can get the 14. Let's move to silver. Silver is a pretty badass looking chart. I can't wait for this thing. We've got the reverse head and shoulders, or the cup and handle. This platform is what I always talk about, the liftoff, the launching pad. We got a previous high at 1640, 1760. I think we can get to 18, being that this is a gap just below 17 for our first stop. Is what I think. On a monthly, it is looking pretty bullish. Breaking previous highs, like I said, 18 right here, no problem. Maybe not this month. Heck, you never know. It could gap to 18 and fill the gap all month. You never know. But breaking in the previous lows right now. Once it lets free, we'll see where it goes. But we got resistance at 16 and 18. 1650, 17. I think we'll ride it all the way to 18 if we break 16. That's just the way it is. We'll get up into these previous lows here, or 50% of this candle, which is likely, which is still at 18. Everything's up because the dollar is down. I put these lines in here to show you what the break is looking like. But as I stated before, the EMA 8 was crossing the 34. Price came up to meet it, made a splash. That was your perfect short right there, and just fell apart. I also stated that would be your last retracement if you want to go back and look at that. That was huge. Also, what I don't think I stated before, I've stated it plenty of times before though, it didn't reach its lower high point. So what do I say? It's double bearish. So it just fell apart. Cascading effect. You can see the rollover. Where we got? We got previous lows at 94, and then we got previous lows at 93. Target is 91, and lower is, let's just call it 90. And then we got lots of support down here. Hopefully it doesn't go that far. But you can take the high and low and do a measured move if you want, which is probably right there. But yeah, commodities are up because the dollar is down. S&P, on the other hand, we'll see if it hits the point. I figured 2000 would be the end of it, since it's already fallen over. But looks like those corporate buybacks are helping it out, I guess. I don't know what's going on here. It is at previous lows here on this thing. Let's see if it'll reach its lower high or fail to reach its lower high. Whatever it is, it's going to happen in the next couple weeks. We are working from a double bottom. It has passed all points of resistance, trying to change trend, but you can see tried to change trend here, tried to change trend here, here, and here, all failed in the past, since last July. So this is going on forever, right? We'll drag it out. We have a lower low, lower highs. So this thing has cascaded over more than once. It just hasn't committed. Still trying. I think the lack of confidence is coming, though. The last Fed meeting was just horrible in terms of confidence. Dollars up or dollars down. Crude is up. We made our point of return today, breaking into this previous lows. I guess if the dollar continues to go down, we're going to go our next step, which would be 45, 40. Let's just call it 45. What this looks like to me is a reverse head and shoulders bottom pattern. You got the left shoulder, the head, coming up on the right shoulder. See what happens. But it looks like that to me. We're working on a double bottom. Next point of return is at 45. If we can stay above our change of trend on a weekly and close. But it looks strong. I mean, it closed on its high. So look for a continuation here. And just finally, my favorite silver stock. I forget who showed this to me, but I didn't find it, obviously. But you got the reverse head and shoulders, a typical lift off right here on the right shoulder. Break is tried to break already. 14. If you got in on the 14 break, like I said, then you're golden. You might see a retracement. You might see it try to break out, come back in, try to break out, come back in before it really decides. Or you can wake up in the morning and gaps to the next point. That's very likely, actually. That's about it. Let's just check this on a monthly. Silver looks awesome. It has not broken out yet. I keep forgetting I can't see that one on a monthly. Anyways, good job, guys. Looks like it's our time here coming up. Hopefully this bull trend will last 10 years. Please share, comment, and let me know what's going on out there. Looks like the markets are looking pretty bad. Be sure to get yourself a Bitgold account. Pretty convenient saving and purchasing in gold. Pretty nice. It's a pretty nice little thing. and you can save your gold out of the country. Insurance is free. There's no monthly fees. We can go on and on about the benefits. As the dollar goes down, gold is going up. So why would you put your money in a bank that you're going to lose money after taxes? And what if they go negative interest rates? You're going to have to pay them to hold your money, which I find very absurd that anyone would ever think of doing something like that. But imagine the savings account going up with gold. It seems pretty nice to me, since gold is changing trend. You can find a link below the description on my channel page. And if you like these videos, please donate. Okay, see ya.